Oh, all these First Amendment activists. Look, I'm on timeout. What did I say that was so bad, you ask? Let's find out. Let's look at the last thing I said, shall we? I tried to say woot beer bong, but I was timed out. Oh, maybe that was it. No, it can't be all caps. Because. So the last thing I said, let's find it. Let's find it. Let's find the last thing I said. Yes, yes, yes. Let's find the last thing I said. I said it's riveting how you're holding the police accountable. And that got me timed out on a free speech channel. My, my, my. My, my, my. See, this is the difference. This is the difference between me and them. I'm actually about free speech. They're not. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.